Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we're introducing our new wall-mounted hanging pot rack system. The wall-mounted hanging pot rack system delivers convenience, saves storage space in cabinets and drawers, makes a design statement within your kitchen, and provides protection against scratching and damage on expensive kitchenware. Our stainless steel pot rack system incorporates the strength of heavy gauge steel construction with a corrosion-resistant feature of stainless material. Finished with a brushed stainless treatment, the stainless hanging pot rack system will enhance the decor of any kitchen and matches most stainless appliance finishes. The wall-mounted hanging pot rack system is available in single and dual-level racking configurations and function. Thanks for watching. For more product information and Made in the USA innovation from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out federalbrace.com. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.